In this video, you'll learn how to pick the right form type in Mailchimp. This guide will help you navigate through the Mailchimp interface to create effective forms that suit your needs. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. You can do this by entering the Mailchimp URL directly into the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see a dashboard displaying your audiences, campaigns, and other tools available in Mailchimp. After reaching the home page, locate and click on the Audience tab in the left sidebar. This action will direct you to the Audience dashboard, where you can manage all your contacts. If prompted, sign in with your Mailchimp account credentials to access your account functionalities. Next, look for the Manage Audience drop-down menu, click on it, and then select Sign-up Forms. This will take you to a new screen where you can choose from various form types available within Mailchimp. Once you're on the Sign-up Forms page, click on Create Pop-up Form. This option will allow you to create a form that will appear as a pop-up on your website, capturing visitor information. After clicking, you will see a message prompting you to decide what you would like to offer to your new subscribers. At this point, consider what incentive you want to provide to encourage sign-ups. Pop-ups with incentives typically convert better, so choose one that aligns with your goals, such as offering a discount or free shipping. Once you have made your selection, click on the corresponding option, for example, free shipping. After choosing your incentive, you will need to select a template for your pop-up form. Look for the template options presented and click on one that fits your brand style. This action will load the template editor where you can customize your form further. Once in the template editor, you will see a message asking how you would like to set up your form. Review the available options carefully, as they will determine how your form operates and interacts with users. When ready, click on Create Form to proceed with your selected setup. After creating the form, you may want to edit the pop-up form review. This step is crucial for ensuring that your form appears as intended and functions correctly. Take your time to make necessary adjustments and ensure all information is accurate. Finally, when you are satisfied with your form, click on Save and Review. This will save your changes and allow you to review the final version. After reviewing, click on Publish or Schedule to make your form live or set it for a future date. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.